Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about learning how to use the $300 a day blueprint by posting pre-written ads on social media. So right here down below, you will be able to see this page. It'll actually be a different page. Let me jump over to that. You'll see this one down below and go ahead and click on the information to get started. It will bring you into this one so that you can learn more about this simple and easy program. Now, this is not an overnight get-rich scheme, but it has a powerful to change your life. So you never have to do the 9 to 5 ever again. Right here is my information. You can go ahead and connect with me on social media, but I'm here to help you get 100% commission directly to your bank account. So imagine having the ability to generate 100% commissions from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. And if that is an interest to you, just go ahead and come over here to this page and learn a little bit more. How does it work? All you have to do is follow our simple 3-step system to start making 100% commission, 100%. Number 1, get started. Join one of the levels that you can access with the products in your step-by-step digital training. Step 2, post ads to social media. We show you how to exactly where and how to start posting social media ads and driving tons of traffic to your website. Step 3, get paid. Get paid. Super cool. Start collecting 100% daily commission straight to your bank account. And right here is more information on how this works. So if you're tired of struggling and feeling stuck and confused, maybe you're in a job like myself and would like to get out, looking for a way to get some extra income, tired of your job, or even don't have one and need an ability to pay extra bills, this is an easy and simple way to do this. Imagine what it would be like to learn the same strategies that six-figure earners are applying every day in their business, not having to worry and meet those money ends. Quit your day job and that rat race, start leading a life that you enjoy. Waking up and want to work and make money, make it fun. We have 3 different levels. There is a starter level, it's just $50 one time. It is a one-time $17 admin fee to get your website. I had my website within hours. Absolutely amazing. So this is what the website will look like, what you're watching now. The elite level is $150 one time, no monthly fees, no additional fees. And that is a one-time $17 admin fee to get your website done. Then you have the pro level. This will absolutely change your life. A one-time $17 admin fee to get your website done. You can come over here and check out all the different things that are added into each level. Now, when you are at the pro level of $300, you get paid on the $150 and the $50. If you come in the $50 level, unfortunately, you cannot get paid on the $300 level until you become part of that level. Now, say you came in at the $50 level, that's all you can do today. You have 30 days to go ahead and upgrade to those additional levels without any additional fee. So you pay your $50, you'll pay the difference. So you'll pay $100 here. Then you'll go ahead and pay the difference on the pro level. So all this information is in here, ready to help you get started. What's the income potential? Right here, there is a short video to give you a step-by-step information all about this. And down below, it gives you more information on if you just made 1 sale a day, 3, 5, 8, 10, what does that look like monthly? Plus, no monthly fees. Absolutely my favorite. Here you can get to that $150 level, so earn $150 and $50 per commissions and no monthly fees. Right here gives you a breakdown on those monthly and commission fees. Right here at the $300 level, you can see that is a monthly income of $8,400 if you did a sale each and every day with no monthly fees, and it allows you to change your income quickly. right there will give you a bunch of information. The link will be down below. I wanted to go ahead and show you some of the proof that's going on in the group and how people are getting paid. All right, we do have 2 Facebook groups, and one is the system proof group. So we want to make sure that people are getting paid, right? But one of the amazing thing is this is 100% commission from anywhere in the world as long as you have the Wi-Fi connection, and if you have Stripe, Cash App, PayPal to get paid, and nobody is in your money. So it goes directly to you, to your bank account. This will allow you to see the different information that's in here. So we have a ton of people that are getting welcomed. Right here you can see $300. Another one just joined. And then you have $300 for joining this morning. And she already made $5,400, and this just started March 3rd, I believe. Here's another $310 from Jenna. Here's another one with Ann, got $50. Jenna is just making an amazing $300 over and over. Right here is another one going through the pro level, which is a $300. Right here's another $300 that Daryl got. Right here, Christina got $300, and Sharon got $150. It just goes on and on and on. This program is absolutely amazing, helping so many people change their lives and to help them get started just working from the comfort of your home. So if you'd like to learn more, please do contact me if you have any questions. Otherwise, go ahead and click on the link, get started, and join an amazing opportunity that can help you change the ability of your life. I'll see you on my next video. Make sure to subscribe and click the like button. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.